If you are a fan of working out your abs, burning that core, and just getting stronger in general, you are going to love today's movement. We are going to be talking about single leg alternating V-ups. There are so many ways that you can work your core, and one of my favorites is single leg alternating V-ups. It's different, it's not boring, it gives me a chance to really crush my abs and feel exhausted at the end. Single leg alternating V-ups are in the family of V-ups because they work similarly. You're working on your core, your flexors, your balance, but they change it up because you don't have to really focus on both of those things coming together at once and balancing. You still get the work, but since you're only moving one leg at a time, sometimes it's a little bit faster in your workout, sometimes it's a little bit easier, and sometimes you're just not feeling lifting both legs, and this gives you another option. If you haven't already watched my video on how to do regular V-ups, click that card right there and you can go watch how to do those. So come on, let's learn all the things about single leg alternating V-ups.